Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are all having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription boxes, unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me to have you become a part of our YouTube family. So today we have a new box to our channel. I am super excited to open this. But even more so, I guarantee you that Oscar and Otis are going to be excited about this box because this is Wag Well box. This is a dog subscription, so I'm super excited to open this, and then they will have some goodies. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the box. I do want to say thank you to WagWell for sending this. I do appreciate it. But let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the box since it's brand new to our channel, and then we'll get in here and see what Oscar and Otis got. So this is a organic and all natural dog box, which I love. Prices start as low as $34. And let's see what all it says. It says WagWell box is the subscription box for the health conscious dog lover because we understand how important your dog is to you. We're focused on helping you give your dog premium quality items that are both healthy and fun. Each box includes 2 bags of organic treats, 2 all-natural bully sticks, premium toy, and a fashionable dog bandana. So yeah, you get, the toys are premium, safe, and fun. They have been tested for safety. It says this makes a great gift, which is very true. And 2 full-size bags of USA-made organic treats made with simple, wholesome ingredients, and then 2 all-natural bully sticks with no additives. So I think this is going to be super cute, and I know that Oscar and Otis are going to absolutely love it because of the treats. Oscar's going to enjoy the toy, I have no doubt. So let's cut it open and see what they got for August 2020. All right. All right, so when you open it, this is what we see, the paper. So we peel that back. And we see that. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. They are on Crate Joy. I do see here that right now they actually do have a 20% off coupon, which is WAG20. So that's awesome. 20% off is a really great deal. All right, so we have a card here. It says, welcome. It says, WagWell box is for the people who want the absolute best for their dog. Your dog has given you so much. WagWell box is your opportunity to give back. Oh, that's cute. And then you can follow them on social media. It's WagWell box for Facebook and Instagram, and it says to share pictures of your pup with them. And then here it talks about the toys. It says, keep your dog safe and sound. The toys you'll find in your WagWell box pass safety tests, and the chews are all natural, but it's still important to always monitor your pup during treat, play, and chew time. So there is that. So let's just get in here and see what we got. I can already see what is just so adorable, which are the 2 toys on top. So the first one is this ice cream cone. It's adorable. Love it. And then the second one is a watermelon slice. Like a smiley watermelon slice. That is so cute. Squeaky. Oscar will love that. He's all about the squeaky. And this one's squeaky as well. So these are so adorable, and they do feel well made. You may hear some little feet tapping because I squeaked that. I'm not sure if he heard it. He's sleeping right now. So those are both super adorable. He will love them. This bandana is just as cute and just adorable as it could be. Just, I love that so much. It is so cute. And this is for large dogs. I may see if I can get this on Otis, because he would look so adorable in this. If I do, I'll put it on my Instagram. So definitely, if you're not following me already on Instagram, please do. It is Southern Mom 521. So See if I can get Otis to wear that bandana. All right, and then we have got Cocoa Therapy. Ooh, this is Coconut Vanilla Flax Maggie's Macaroons, made with coconut and coconut oil, raw and vegan, grain-free, 100% all natural. Ooh. They're getting some bougie snacks, y'all. Look at that. That's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. And then they have got, also from Cocoa Therapy, Pure Hearts Organic Coconut Dog Treats with organic coconut and organic coconut oil, grain-free, gluten-free, pure ingredients, temptingly tasty. And this is banana brulee. It's coconut and banana. Y'all, like, that sounds amazing. I want a cookie that's banana brulee. They really are getting some bougie treats. Love it. All right, and then we've got the bully sticks right here. These are Butcher's Block Pizzle 9-inch. It says, let's see. Yeah, you got to monitor for them for like splintering or anything like that. So there are the two bully sticks. So I think this subscription is absolutely wonderful. The toys are fantastic. The bandana is just about as cute as you can get. And seriously, the bougie treats, do y'all agree with me on that? Like, coconut banana brulee treats for Oscar and Otis? What? Yeah, bougie. My dogs are going to turn extra. So, but I love it. I think that, like I'm looking here, the treats are grain and gluten-free, dairy-free, no eggs, preservative-free, no artificial flavors or colors, and low glycemic. I love that I am going to be able to know that I'm giving my dogs healthy toys, healthy treats and toys. Safe toys, healthy treats. So, yeah. Like I said, I'll put a link down below, and they do have that promo code. I'll put that down there in the description box as well, so you guys remember you can get 20% off your first box. So I think this, again, just was an amazing pet subscription dog box. So if you're a dog mom or dog dad and you're looking for a way to treat your baby, this definitely is the way to go. It's fantastic. So let me know your thoughts down below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know how your day is. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you to my channel members. I greatly appreciate your support. And even if you're not a member, I just appreciate you being here and watching the videos. It means so very much to me. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.